Here at Riverdale High School, we're really blessed. We're one of the few high schools in the county that has an agriculture engineering program. And we have a large shop here where the kids get a lot of hands-on experience. Yep.
I've been in FFA since freshman year in the ag program, and one of my favorite teachers moved to the ag mechanics department, and so I thought it would be really fun to learn how to weld and do things that I can use in my real life.
But in my opinion, where learning really happens in this pathway is taking the book knowledge that they learn and then putting it into action in the shop with their hands.
I'm a visual learner and I like to see how things go together.
My dad does a lot of electrician work, and so I get to learn how to do things that he does. I've helped him with refurbishing and like remodeling like old trailers and an old tractor that we had at our house.
So my students behind me here are working on masonry. We learn the theory behind that in the classroom, and then they come out here and put it together. And they learn that, oh, I understand and I can lay out a block wall, but actually putting it together is way different. What they're doing right now is they're practicing and practicing and practicing, and when they're ready, they come to me and say, okay, I'm ready to take my test. Their test has a little bit of book knowledge, but it's really hands-on. Like, can you put this together in accordance with the way it's supposed to be? The great thing for me is to show those kids that maybe not have any access to this at home, that working in the shop is fun, it can be safe, and really enjoyable.
Through the Ag Engineering, Ag Mechanics program, I've earned a couple of certifications, and in May I'm going to graduate as a valedictorian.
The things that they learn in this shop are going to serve them well for the rest of their lives.